What's going on, everyone? Got a 2021 Honda HRV. Today I'm going to show you how to locate and pull out the cabin filter if you want to service it. So it's going to be located behind the glove box door, so we're going to need to lower the glove box door, and to do that, first thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper, and all we got to do is push down on it and it'll disconnect. Okay, you can see what that looks like. All right, now the stoppers here, we're going to push these in, okay, like that, both sides. And then the glove box door will come down like that. Right here's where the filter's at. Now we're going to push these tabs on the sides in, and I'll let us remove this door. Okay, just notice how this says up. Okay, so that's how it's going to go back. Here's our filter, and I actually don't have a filter on me, a new one. I'm checking this one to see if I need to order it, and this one definitely needs to be ordered. It is super bad, super black. If you need one, check down in the description box. I'm going to have a link that takes you to Amazon, where you can get one, or if you need the part number. But we'll put this one back for now and order the filter, get it here and replace it later. But just make sure you put it in just like this, and notice that this one says airflow and it's facing down. Okay, your new filter is going to say airflow on it, so just make sure you do that. Yeah, so the cabin filter is going to say airflow down, but this needs to say up. All right, then we just get the glove box and we just close it like that, and it'll stay back up. Come over here to the damper and just hook it back up. Okay, you hear it click. We're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you comment, like, and subscribe.